ليجزيهمullahu
La not,
ahsana ma
it's law. Because there is dhamma top of meme. It will read bold. What Allah, okay? Liyajziyahumullahu.
liyajziyahumullahu
Good.
ahsana ma amilus amilu wa
Amilu,
yazidahum
no, don't stretch ain. Ma'amilu.
ma amilu wa yazidahum min fadlihi wallahu yarzuqu man yasha'u bighairi hisab walladzina
Hisab. There is ba
hisab
in orange color. Its mean it will read like bold. Okay, in the end when it's come. Okay,
okay
it's called,
hisab
yeah, it's called harf qalqala. There is 5 letters of huruf qalqala. 5 letters, 5 huruf. Huruf of qalqala called qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Okay,
okay
and mixture of these letters called Qutubu Jaddin, the 5 letters. In short, we can say Qutubu Jaddin, Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. Got it? When you make waqf, then you can say boldly, Hisab.
hisab
Yeah.
walladzina kafaru amaluhum kasarabim biqi'ati yahsabuhu zamlanu ma
Anu. This is Hamza, not Lam. Yeah.
zam'anu ma hatta idza ja'ahu lam
Lam yajiduhu.
lam yajiduhu syai'aw wa wajadal laha
Wa
indahu
wajadallaha. Say.
wa wajadal laha
There is
indahu
fatha, okay? Can you see
okay
fatha top of dal? It will read what Allah will read bold because there is fatha. When you see fatha or dhamma before word Allah on any letter, then word Allah will read boldly, okay?
okay
Wawajadallaha.
wa wajadal laha
And in Bismillah, how we recite Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. There is kasra before word Allah, down of meme. Bismillah. Okay? Like A'udhu Billah. There is kasra down of ba. Billah. Okay? When you see
okay
fatha or dhamma before word Allah, then word Allah will read boldly. Now, Indahu, read it. Continue.
inda fawafahu hisabahu
Tawafahu, stretch it. There is standing fatha.
hisabahu wallahu sari'ul hisab au kadhulumatin fi badhil
He,
lujji
bah. This is ba and ha.
fi bahril lujji
Lujji, say lujji.
lujji ya sya'u maujum min fauqihi maujum min fauqihi sahabun zulumatum ba'dhuha fawqa ba'dhin idza raja yadahu lam yakad yara ma wa man
Yara.
lam
What did you say? Yara.
yara ma
Ma not. Look at, this is ha.
yaraha
Yara ha not. Stretch the ra.
yaraha
Good.
wa man lam yad
وَمَنْ لَمْ يَجْعَلِ
وَمَنْ لَمْ يَجْعَلِ اللَّهُ لَهُ نُورًا فَمَا لَهُ مِنْ نُورٍ.
Listen,
أَلَمْ تَرَ
why you don't read word Allah boldly? What is the reason?
يَجْعَلِ اللَّهُ
No, not. You read perfect word Allah. I am asking the reason.
يَجْعَلِ اللَّهُ.
Yeah, la, it's perfect. But why you recite lightly word Allah? Because there is kasra.
Okay.
Okay, down of lam. I told you, when you see kasra before word Allah, then word Allah will recite lightly. Okay,
Okay.
thin, not thick. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now come to the next ayah. Alam.
أَلَمْ تَرَ أَنَّ اللَّهَ
Laha, law, because there is fatha top of noon. Anna Allah.
أَنَّ اللَّهَ يُسَبِّحُ لَهُ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَالطَّيْرُ صَافَّاتٍ
وَالطَّيْرُ صَافَّاتٍ.
وَالطَّيْرُ صَافَّاتٍ كُلٌّ قد علم صلاته وتسبيحه والله عليم بما يفعلون.
Yeah, this
لا ملك السماوات والأرض ولله
وإلى الله
وإليه المصير.
Good.
ألم تر أن الله يذبح سحابا
يزجي
سحابا ثم يؤلف بينه ثم يجعله ركاما فترى الودق يخرج من خلاله وينزل من السماء من جبال فيها من برد فيصيب به من يشاء ويصرفه عمن يشاء من يشاء يكاد سنا برقه يذهب بالأبصار.
Yeah, that's enough. What's your name?
Zaiba.
And where are you from?
Sri Lanka.
No, now from where? Now you are living in which country?
Japan.
Japan. And how old?